Bianca.
What is it?
I've been watching you for a while now, and all I think about is settling with you. And I don't know how to say it, but I have feelings.
Shut up! You have feelings for who? Don't you have eyes? Or are you blind? You don't know your class. No, you don't know your class. Do I look like someone you can take care of? No, wait, maybe you have forgotten. You don't know who you're speaking to. You're speaking to Bianca, the only classy and beautiful girl in this village. In case you've forgotten, let me remind you. In fact, look at me. No, look me well, because I'm sure you're not looking very well. Look me well. Look me well from head to toe. Do I look like a girl you can take care of? Men that matter, men that have money, queue, asking for my number, and a pauper like you that haven't fed well is looking for who? Who you have feelings for? Don't try this nonsense again. Don't you ever stop me on the way again.
Bianca, nobody knows tomorrow. I'll make it.
You will never make it in life. In Jesus' name, amen. You will never make it in life to open your mouth to bring curse upon me. You don't know you asking me out is you're trying to curse me? Back to sender. It shall never work for you. Can you imagine? When men with money, men of timber and caliber, queue, asking for my number just to better my life. You want to come and frustrate me? Ijego. You want to make me your life partner? You're begging on there. Nonsense. Rubbish. Stop me on the way to say this nonsense again and see what I will do to you. Bad luck. Look at his face. Being a fine boy with that money is nothing. Go and make money. Also go and make money. Fine boy with that nothing. Oji. Don't let me insult you.
It is my great pleasure that we are all gathered here to witness the marriage ceremony between our daughter, Gineka, and also, as the tradition demands, No, you're welcome. My daughter, please take this drink. Go and show us the lucky man. I'm alone up. Oronie. Asamu Masaru. Oronie. Ije. Make you hide your face.
Ewa, nwa mulamu.
Ọzọ dị mkpa. Abu nwoke obere dị ya. Dị mkpa saa. Chukwuoike, Chukwunna, Chukwumonso. Oh, Gina Munye, please, cause you were no yellow. Ofu, Eboa, Bununo Eju. Into a cog yesterday. What am I yin now? One K in nowhere, Mukanke in nowhere. Into a kind of iron up by Jesus Christ, young man. Nambi before you got Zowa, Yakonawa.
Ginika. 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 Mama! Chineke me. What is wrong with you? Mama!
Oh. Mama, why did you interrupt me now?
So you left the melon I asked you to break. You are here sleeping and smiling. Oh, you are daydreaming, eh? Smiling in your dream. Ginika. I asked you to break this melon so that we'll use it to prepare soup. You are here sleeping.
Hey, Mama, leave melon. Leave melon. Mama, see. God has answered my prayer. Eh? Do you know what just happened? I saw Ozo and I getting married in my dream. Before he just came to interrupt me, he didn't even let me finish my dream. Hey! Ozo, my husband is coming for me. You're talking of melon, Mama.
What's wrong with you, this girl?
Mama, everybody was celebrating us, including you.
Ginika, what is wrong with you? So you left the melon I asked you to break. You are here dreaming about Ozo. How sure are you about this boy? Eh? How come you are so sure about this your Ozo boy? You just met him. Eh? Ginika, why not take your time to study him? Know him too well before you accept him into your life.
Mama, no. There's no study again in this matter. There's no time. No. I'm not giving anybody any time again. Which study? Mama, did you not hear my dream? We're already married now. We're already married. Ha! Mama, with this dream, Ozo is the perfect man for me. Yes, Mama. Mama, Ozo is the perfect man for me. Stop it. Mama, you know me now. You know that my dreams always come true. Hey, Chivo! Chivo! Thank you, Mother Mary. You have done me. Mama. God is good. Mama, smile! Smile! Your kitty can marry the man of her dreams.
Igwe, I was the first person who showed interest in taking the title of Akepuchewa. Why is Eze now trying to become a stumbling block on my way? Why? Going for the same title.
Point of correction, Christopher. You were not the first person to show interest for Akepuchewa Chieftaincy title. I was the first person that showed interest. Stay out of my way. Christopher, stay out of my way.
And if you dare open that your mouth again, I will tell you why God created Igbo version.
You cannot do anything.
Stop!
I will hold a meeting with the Indi chiefs. We shall arrive at a decision. Whatever that decision may be, I will summon you, both of you, and tell you. You may now leave.
What are you here?
No, I'm not with you. So, how are you?
I'm fine.
So, where are you going?
To your house. I wanted to come see you. I had to come now because later in the evening I'll have to go to the stream to fetch some water for the house.
What? No, that's not going to be possible. So, you walk all the way from your house to the stream? With water on your head?
Yes, Obi.
Please don't do it again. No. It's bad enough that you're walking on the road. What?
There's no other way to get
No. Please, don't get me angry. Don't do it again. As a matter of fact, as soon as I get to the city, I have a meeting with the Canadian agency. So as soon as I get there, I'll just call my friend who works with the water board authority. So I'll lay a pipe from the city down to your house. Yes. No. Don't. In fact, that's the first call I'll make when I get back to the city.
Hey, Obi. So our house will turn to city house.
Yes, now I don't even
With
want
tank.
to. Yes. I don't even want to install a borehole in your house so that you'll be using this village water. No, I'm gonna lay a pipe from the city, they'll channel the water from the city down to you so that you bathe city water. Huh? Not village water.
Hey, Obi.
No, please. Don't even say anything that you want. Just call me, huh? No. What would people say? Huh? Obi, please don't do it again. You got me pissed right now. No. Don't do it again.
Thank you. Mama will be so happy. Chai. So you're leaving right now?
Yes.
Why now? So soon?
I just have to the business meeting. Like I said, the Canadian agency, as we speak, they're in my office waiting.
It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay. I brought this for you.
What's inside?
Why don't you open it and see? Do you like it?
I love. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Baby, you just gave me a shock.
It's straight from my heart.
No, truthfully, I don't wear LKY. No, what we have is DKNY. And then all I wear is designers Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Imperial Armani, Giorgio Armani, Sense. Oh my goodness, those are those kind of designers. But this is coming from you. It's very, very special.
Now you're talking. I wanted to start crying before. How those names you're calling, Balance, DK, I don't know those ones, but just know that this gift, even though it's not of your status, okay? Just know that straight from my heart, from my purest of heart.
And I accept it wholeheartedly. Thank you very much. I should be the one shopping for you and not the other way around.
Oh, come on. I mean, who says you must be the only one shopping for me? I can give you gifts too.
Alright, hold on a minute, I have something. Oh, goodness. Oh! Why didn't you remind me to change that money? Why? Huh? Did I tell you when we're leaving that you should remind me? Have you seen what you've cost? I told the idiot to remind me that we're going to change money at the bureau de change, the one close to the road.
It's okay. Maybe when you get to the city, you can change it.
No, I have money. Give me the...
But okay, what do you need money for here now?
No, what else if not to shower blessing on you? Bring that money. You see, I don't like it. No. I have to... Look at them. Do you know what they call it? Do you know how much is this? Huh?
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. So they'll go about disgracing me. Now look at it. This is 1,000 precipice tome. That's what they call this. Precipice tomes. Say it.
It's not again.
Precipice tome.
Precipice tome.
Yes. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3. Huh? With these 3 pieces, you can buy this entire village. Yeah, that's why you don't see this kind of currency in Nigeria. You know, European countries like Italy, Austria, Australia, Poland, you know. Yeah, those are the kind of people that are using this currency. But because of my connection with EFCC and the federal government, I'm one of the few people allowed to use it. Yeah, that's how you can say this. My darling, you have no idea the kind of money I have here. Huh?
Please, Obi, don't worry about it. I don't even want money.
Come on, take this.
Don't worry. Eh?
Take.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay, it's okay. I don't need money. Now, next time when you come, it's okay.
That's how they keep the embarrassing. I'm sorry. Don't worry, as soon as I get to the city, I'll send you money, okay?
Okay.
Honestly, I just don't feel like leaving.
I miss you already.
I miss you too, baby, but I promise you in no time I'll be right back. Hmm? Alright.
Bye. Safe journey, Okay, Obi. Safe journey,
I'll call you. Don't try this.
Are you at home?
Small word. Do not judge a book by its cover. The other time I saw you, I disguised because I was looking for a life partner. I wanted to know who is good, who is real, and who truly loves me. And so I disguised, but how did you treat me? Like a nobody. And so I decided to come out with my full regalia. How does it feel now?
Honestly, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I was rude to you or I treated you badly. It wasn't entirely my fault. You know, as a young lady, I need to be seen around people that matter. I am really, really sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
That's alright. At least now you know.
Now I know, honestly. Don't worry yourself, I'll make it up to you. Look at you, you really changed. Looking so cute. Handsome guy. Okay, no, okay, I'll make it up to you. Just give me your number, okay? I always call to check up on you and... Please. Can you? Your number?
There are processes one needs to undergo before he or she has my number.
Processes?
First, you take his number. You want to reach me? Call him.
Oh no, please. I already said I'm sorry. I didn't mean to insult you and I will make it up to you. Just since I have you here, why should I have your bodyguard's number when I have you? Just give me your number, please. Please.
Baby! I'm not the one I'm calling. How dare you touch me with those stinking hands of yours? Don't touch me again. What's wrong with you? Huh?
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
You don't need to apologize. I don't need your apologies. Stop it.
Bianca, I love you. Okay, I mean well for you. Seriously, I mean well for you. Just give me a chance and I'll make you happy. I promise you.
You don't have to love me because you can't take care of me. I am begging you. Don't be serious with me, oh. Otherwise, you'll land yourself in the hospital. What is all of this now? You keep pestering me all about like you don't have a job. Let me tell you something. Please, please, and please. Let this be the very last time you stop me on the road to spew this nonsense. Ogenede, don't you know that's not my size? Show me your size. Look for your size. I'm not in your class. Biko, don't do that anymore. What size again?
Bianca.
Let me. If I tell you to buy this clothes I'm wearing, can you buy it? Do you know how much this hair costs? Do you have money? Ah, come on, go bad. Nonsense.
Chuka. Oga. Where is Ozemena?
He's not around, sir.
Did he tell you where he was going specifically?
No, sir. He only said that he will come back very soon.
And I've been trying his line, but it's not connecting. Okay, try and reach him. Tell him I want to see him immediately.
Okay, sir.
Good.
I will do as you said.
All right.
You know, we see this would not cause trouble for inside. This one guy is something like this. Alright. Let me get my phone, call him.
This is the land I was telling you about.
Wow.
Quite big, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
I intend to demolish these things and mount a very big structure here. I intend to, start up a poultry farm here where I'll be rearing birds, and then this other side, I'm thinking of a fast food, also foods. Where I'll be making bread, meat pie, anything edible.
Very nice.
Boss, the road is bad.
Yes, the road is bad. I already contracted a BLX.
Wow.
Yeah, to fix the road. As a matter of fact, they'll be starting work before month end.
Boss,
Yes, they will start from the end down to the other side.
Wow.
I don't know, this man is just acting funny and stubborn. I already told him, man, I can't be here, you be here. So sell this your house to me. I don't mind this stubborn man. He's definitely going to sell this place. And when he does, this whole place will become also estate.
Wow.
What did I say?
Also estate.
Yes, also estate.
You have a call.
That's how they will keep calling to be taking money up and down. Who is this?
It's Bianca.
Pretty. Good thing you called. How are you?
I'm fine. I just said let me call you and check up on you.
I'm good. Good.
So how is everything with you?
I have to go back to the city. Your business keep calling. Just won't let me stay. This one calling, that one calling.
That's too quick. But you just arrived now.
I just have to go, but I'll be back soon. So, where are you?
I'm right in front of my house. I've gotten to my house now.
Oh, so where is this home?
It's not really far from the Central Catholic Church.
All right, I'll be there in no time.
You're coming? Okay, I'll wait for you right in front of, in fact, on the road.
I can wait to see you. All right, bye.
All right. Hey, he said he's coming.
So, like I said, this place will become what?
Also estate.
This place will become what?
Also estate.
Boss! Toilet for the boss!
There's no time someone will come here and meet him in his shop. Let it be this guy has watched my kudo too because I'm not finding funny with him. I got to lock him up. She can't play with this one now.
You're welcome to our humble abode. My mother and I stay here.
Oh. You guys quite have a big land.
Yes.
Huh? Is this where you live?
That's where we live. So this is our farmland.
Of course you have enough space. Now here's what we'll do, huh? When I come back next time, I'll come with my, my architect. I want him to come check the kind of edifice we're gonna put here. I intend to put, the kind of houses we have in Las Vegas, California.
California?
So, yeah.
Hey, that's unbelievable.
Yes, now my darling, you can't be living in this kind of house. I mean, when my friends come from abroad, is this where they'll come see you? No, now that's a disgrace. That's a shame. So look at what I'll do, yeah?
Yes.
I'll just take a picture of it and send to my architect so he will know exactly what to do, but I'm sure they're going to bring it down. Let me put you some foreign things here.
Thank you.
Mama!
Mama!
I was alright.
The billionaire is here.
Hey! Nah.
Mama!
Daddy?
More than good.
Come on, sleep.
Oh, Mama, don't worry yourself. Okay, because of you, I just said.
Okay.
Mama,
Eh?
how are you?
I'm very well. Hey.
Babe, you never told me your mother was this beautiful.
Very beautiful. I have my father's skin color.
Yes.
Mama, you have a very pleasant land here. I'm not sure that. Okay, look at what I'll do here. I'll just call my, my architect. Look at this place and tell me the kind of house they'll put you. I want to put a very serious building here, a magnificent building, an edifice, if I may say. So, I'll just call them up to come check it out. And then, one of those houses in Las Vegas, California, or the one in Mexico, or Northern Ireland, or, it's just something very elaborate, so something very beautiful. And then I'll put marbles on the wall so that every time you can see the reflection of your beauty on the wall, So, and I don't know. Which do you like, interlock or ties?
Anyone. We are good with anyone.
Okay, you know what? I'll tile up the whole place. Yeah, very expensive. I'll just call the company. I think it's in Afghanistan. That's where they make very, sophisticated marbles that will last a lifetime. And then, Mom, you like human hairs?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, of course, every beautiful woman likes human hair. I have a friend in Brazil. He deals with human hair. So I'll just, for a start, I'll just send like 20 containers filled with human hair. Yeah, because I don't want you to repeat anyone. I want you to wear one every day. Wear one every day. That's wear and dash. You wear one, you give it out. You wear another one, you give it out. When the whole 4 containers is done, probably I'll just do 10. I'll keep increasing. I just don't want you to suffer. I want to bless you, take care of you, and suffocate you with wealth. Yeah. So doesn't even. Okay. I'll call my bank. Okay. I don't want you going about to ATM queuing and then people will look at my mother-in-law standing in front of an ATM. No, that's not gonna happen. I'll just call my bank to install an ATM machine here, just right in front of you. All you need to do is come out and stand in front of the ATM machine and say, Ozo's in-law, and mention the amount you want. Ozo's in-law, 1 million. All out. Ozo's in-law, 2 million. All out. 3 million. You already know. I'm thinking of the kind of car I need to get for you because I wouldn't want you to drive something any other person can buy or drive. So I'll, I'll just get you the latest Benz, 2024 Future Benz. It's called Future Benz. Yes, yes. It can work in land and water. You can get to the river. There's this button you press. It just spread and then you float. Just you, specially made for you, customized. As a matter of fact, I'll ask them not to put keys so that you can just walk in front of the car and say, "Ozo's in-law, open." It's gonna
How's in-law to open?
open.
Hey, God bless you.
Yes, yes.
God bless you.
Anyone that plans evil for you
We'll die this night.
Amen.
Amen.
The earth will open and swallow that person.
Amen.
You will grow from billions to trillions.
Amen.
Nothing will
Amen.
stop your progress.
Amen.
Quickly go and cook for him.
Immediately.
Prepare something
Okay.
sumptuous for him.
Don't worry. I'll make sure they build something very mighty for you here. And in fact, every two years, I'll be bringing them down and build another one.
Hey!
So if I build this one and in 2 years, it's become old-fashioned, I'll tear it down, I'll pick another one. And then, Mom, you don't have gold? What kind of gold you like? Like the slim one or the...
Anyone.
I'll get you the big one. That is more intimidating. I have a friend who deals on these things, pure gold all the way from Arab. They'll get you something that if another person looks at it, person goes blind.
Hey!
Just 1 second. 1 second, real quick. Let me just call. Mom, I enjoyed your meal.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I must say I'm very, very proud and happy and blessed to have such a beautiful soul.
Thank you so much, my son.
Mhm.
Anytime you're in this village, count on me to eat good food. I'll make you delicious, sumptuous meals.
Oha.
Ah!
Oha.
And I do it very well.
You do? I like oha with apple.
No problem. Oh?
All right, Mom.
Let me leave you two to catch up. Oh?
Okay.
Ambia.
Baby.
So when am I coming to the city to spend the weekend with you?
As soon as I am back from Dubai, you will come through.
So when are you back?
Let's just say less than a week I'll be back.
Cannot wait though.
Sorry. Sorry, let me take this call. Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Are my clothes ready?
What kind of question is this one now? Also,
I hope you stash them and iron them very well.
bros, stop all this drama, I beg. I told you I'll be needing these clothes over the weekend. Yeah?
Good. Good boy. Now send me your account, let me credit you right away. No, I'll just take 1 million and give 600,000 to your boys. Let me just share. Alright? Send it. As soon as you drop the code, just send it.
Also, man, this is Alex now. Which account number again? Guys, see, I'll be needing those clothes this weekend though. I get one shot to attend with them. Which kind of account number?
That's what I just said. Send your account number and then drop the call. As soon as you do so, you get your money.
Hello? This is already this one now. Why is he talking off point? Don't even off phone. I'll come. I'll make just add this drama with the ask me.
Boys, they just won't kill me. Everyone asking you for money. Help me. People are so broke.
Yeah.
One of those things.
The country is in a mess. So if someone has somebody like you, they will hold you very tight.
Yeah. Just my village. Just last month here, I spent over 20 million. I called all the youths that doesn't have job and
God will continue to bless you. Thank you so much.
That's all right.
I want to come.
Baby, don't worry. As soon as I'm back from Dubai, you will come and stay. I just want to see if I can shop some new clothes for you and Mom.
I know what you can do. Come
You
to
already
me.
know. So let's go. Mm. Oh. So,
I wish you just stay here with me.
I really want to stay, but you know, I'm not getting so pleasant with the kind of things happening. They just have this effect on my skin until I put a very big edifice here, Mexican style. You know, I'll just come around and stay more often. And that reminds me, sweetheart, do they have a place to change money around here?
I'll have to ask. I don't know.
See, I just want to change this, you know, money so that we can have a whole lot. Chiyama, have you heard of Kuwait? Have you heard of Kuwait? Oh, this is Kuwait money. One of this in our currency is 25 million naira. Just this.
So if you give me this money now, you have given me 25 million.
Yes. Shall we?
Hey! I'm yours forever.
Are you going to change it when I give it to you? Alright, so I just think 25 million is too much. Should I? Should I? Should I?
25 million!
Yes.
Hey, what may I take you, Kwana?
Don't worry.
Thank you.
When you get to bureau the change, you know how much you have.
25 million.
Just change it and see what you have. 25 million.
Hey.
All for you, baby.
Ginika! This girl did not fetch what I asked her to fetch. Ginika! Where is she? Mama. Hey, I was hearing your voice from the main road. When you're no problem. So you never told me what I asked you to fetch. Huh? No, Mama, but I'll do it now. Where did you go to? Oh, you went to see that fool. Ginika, is because of that fool that you did not fetch the water I asked you to fetch. Mama. Eh? Mama, why would you call my man a fool? I called him a fool because he is a fool. Ginika, I called him a fool because he is not a man. He is not man enough to come here and tell me what he wants. He will. You have been seeing him for 8 months, but he has never stepped his foot into this compound to see your Omona and state his intention. Ginika, a man that loves you will not be seeing you along the road. Whenever you want to see him, you will just sneak out to go and see him. A man who loves you, that wants to marry you, will come to your family and set his intention. Pay your diary and take you home. This kind of man, this your Ozo of a man. This your Ozo of a man is a deceiver. I see him as a deceiver. This is the kind of man that will deceive women. After fooling them, using them, they will dump them. My daughter, come back home. Come back to your senses. Think about what I'm telling you, son. Think about it. How can a man be seeing you for over 8 months and he will not deem it fit to come to your family and see them and tell them that he wants to marry you, and you think that man is genuine? You think that boy is genuine? He will use you and dump you. That
That your husband will use you and dump you.
No, Mama. It's not true. God forbid you, he will never do it. He will not. Mama, Ozo loves me. That's what matters.
Don't worry. We are here. We will see when it will happen. I'm going to remind you this conversation. Don't worry. You come and meet me. Ma Hajie.
What is going on? I stocked this bar with expensive drink just last week. And now they are missing. What is happening in this house? What is Chuka? Chuka! The drinks in the bar are missing. What? How come? What kind of nonsense question is that? I said the expensive drinks I left in my bar are no more there. And you're asking me how come?
Who would have taken them away?
I don't understand it. Are you sick? Are you out of your mind? Are you asking me? Am I asking you?
Oga, I'm confused because nobody have stepped into this compound this morning and it's only us that went out. That's why I'm confused.
Where is he? Is he back yet?
No, sir. Hey! Kasala long bust. Good. Wait, since this boy feels that whether na dada they call am, I don't understand the way again. Because the way they pia go answer, also where they go, you know go tell me. If you say this boy don't show Yahoo boys. Small thing, just your guy don't carry motor. Not your guy carry motor. If you say this boy don't do bad thing. Yeah. Henceforth, I will monitor him. But anything when you use your hand, course, you use your career. Drinks. Me I dey drink.
Omena bilibili Eche dobi mesi bikene Osa bilionu bodogu If you no get money, make you hide your face so Ima kwonye na bia Osa bilionu Now him they run this town for everybody yo. Obata obiye, obata ifemebe. Kilibe no wakedima. No gonna give me a also billion for the gunenu. Rice and everything. Oso ni bodogu, oso bilionu bodogu. Kilibe nwoke dị mma, oso bilionu bodogu. Otoputa pass lọya, oso bilionu bodogu. Kilibe nwoke dị mma, oso bilionu bodogu. Akunesi obi ike, oso bilionu bodogu. Ọkwa n'anya bụ.
So when is he coming to ask for your hand in marriage?
He said very soon, Mama.
He has to do it very fast. Before these witches will hijack him.
Hey, Mama, they
can't.
Mama, they cannot. They cannot even try it. You know your daughter now. Huh?
I trust my daughter very much. But one thing you should know, he's very handsome. Very tempting.
But he's not just handsome, he's charming. He's every woman's dream.
Oh, just like your late father.
Exactly, Mama. Don't worry, everything will be okay. I'll sort it out.
I know. But I want you to be careful. I want you to watch him closely. Before these desperate girls will take him away from you.
Mama, you seem to have forgotten who your daughter is. Nobody will take what is mine.
I know what you're capable of.
So don't worry.
I know exactly what you're capable of. That is why I'm not entertaining any kind of fear.
No, you don't have to be scared of anything. This man loves me. And I love at first sight. Immediately I saw him. Love him. It's okay.
And you know your daughter loves money.
Hi,
He has doings.
Hey, but you're not like Ego.
There's someone else.
You are back. Finally.
Bring your voice down.
Why should you take my voice?
Did he ask after me?
Asking after you is one understatement. Oga has been searching for you since morning.
What did you tell him?
What do you expect me to tell him? You didn't tell me anything before you left.
Take your voice down. I do tell you things. I forgot. This one escaped my mind. You should know these things now. Huh? So, is he angry?
Oga is not only angry. Oga is enraged. Yes. As he be now if you enter inside. Na kasala.
Goodness. So, he's inside.
Go inside. Oga did there the way for you. Next time before you come out, tell Oga say they carry him out. You hear me? Go inside, Oga the way for you. What I do you? I say Oga dey inside. Come with am. Let me wait what will happen. Oga dey inside. Oga, you not tell me. I better go carry your cross.
And where are you coming from?
So you sent me on an errand.
For how long?
It's not entirely my fault.
What's M is not entirely your fault. You made me miss an important appointment. I was supposed to keep an appointment by 10:30 a.m. And here you are. So whose fault then?
So I'm sorry, it's not entirely my fault. The traffic was mad. For 2 hours, no car moved. We just stopped at a place. Sorry, sir. It was traffic.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just last week, we stocked my bar with expensive drinks. Where are they?
Yes, now last week, you and I, we went to the shopping mall. We got drinks.
Tell me about it. I said, where are the drinks?
We loaded them at the bar.
Fine. So go there and check and tell me where they are.
I can't find any. Oh! It must have been that your friend, Mr. Joseph. He visited already.
Are you stupid? And he consumed all the drinks? What is going on in this house?
It's not me. No, it's not me. Can you check where, sir? Check where? It's not me. Huh?
Also, I just came to ask you how you did escape Oga's road yesterday.
Are you out of your mind? Huh? What gave you the impetus to ask me such question? Are you mad?
No, me say I'm stupid or something. If you see the way Oga stay first, say you carry motor to come out. By now, if you say if you don't go village, but at the end of the day, I don't see you the rampant with Oga, they eat. They break down together yesterday night. I say, now I'm going to ask, what was the escape route?
So make I go ask, what was the escape route? That's your business. Chuka, is that your business? Oh, you think you and I are the same in this house simply because we eat from the same pot or we are under the same roof? Are you mad? I am no guy like this. You're just a gate man. Mind your business. You hear me?
We say no car for you. So if you teach me, at least I won't learn before I can be your boy. Because if it's this, you get some kind of doings where you do on the floor. If you teach me, I'll be cool.
If you teach you, yes, now you like it. I won't be your boy, but my boy. Come on, go mind your business. Look at this common gate man. Some rubbish shoulders with me here. Get. Wow. Is this the reason this stupid boy called me? Hey, Alexo. How far now? Your clothes, have you?
Not ready.
I did talk small. If you know ready, waiting weekend. If you know ready, waiting weekend.
Sure, say do our worst.
My brother, I did talk like this. We they do anyhow. He's there. He's there. He's there.
How about the your package and wear no more.
Alexo, somewhere you carve like this, you like say your babe there around. I cancel. Balance.
How much you know that time? I'm 5 fish now.
Alexo, now why you let me person the talk?
How
you no come carry cloth come today?
No, I'll come tomorrow. If you come tomorrow, let's.
Greet your babe for me. Collected.
My in-law, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
You said you don't need anything.
I know, Mama, not at all. I'm fine.
It is somehow that you come to your in-law's house, you will not take even to his water.
Mama, don't bother yourself. This is like my own house. If I need anything, I will tell you, okay?
Okay, son.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
Mama, how far about the matter with Ginika? Have you spoken to her?
Collins, you don't need to bother yourself. Ginika is my daughter. Ginika is your wife. You are the kind of man I want to marry my daughter. I know what I want for her. You don't need to worry yourself. I know how to talk to her. I will convince her to marry you. I know what is good for her.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much.
Don't bother yourself.
Thank you.
It's done.
Okay. I'll take my leave now. Okay? All right now. I'll see you some other time.
Collins,
Thank you.
don't bother yourself. There's no problem.
God bless you.
Bless you, my dear. Oh, welcome. Chai. Ma, come here. We need to talk.
Okay, Mama, I'm listening.
Collins was here to see you.
What does he want?
Surely you know what he wants.
And I have told him it will not work.
And it will surely work. All work shall work yesterday. Ginika, that boy loves you. He wants to make you his wife, not just a girlfriend. He surely maybe this girl.
Mama,
I do not love him. I don't.
Hey. Now tell me, what do you know about love?
A lot, Mama.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, now. Tell me. And now it's obvious. You don't know anything about marriage. Ginika, I am your mother. What I see, seated here, even if you climb the tallest tree in this world, you will not see it.
Mama, you cannot talk me to married Colin, so you can't. I will not.
Why? Give me one reason. Just one. One reason. Ofu?
Mama, I just told you that I don't love him. I'm serious, I don't love him. I don't feel anything for him now.
Ginika, can I ask you a question? Do you need to love a man before marrying him?
Of course, yes. Yes, Mama. If you don't love him, how will you stay with him in the house now?
You see? That is where you children of nowadays got it all wrong. You don't need to love a man before marrying him.
Holy Mary.
Leave Mary out of this.
Mama.
Leave Holy Mary out of this. See, when I married your father, we never met before. I don't know him from Adam. His father just saw me on the road. He looked at me and felt I am the perfect character for his son to marry. Ne, other things na gist. Hello, did you hear me? We just got married.
Well, that was then. That was then. This is the 21st century. Things are different now. The trend has changed. It's not like before again. That is old school. Yes, Mama.
This is 21st century? But has marriage changed? Marriage has not changed. It's still the same marriage. Ginika, you don't have a choice here. Whether you like it or not, Collins will marry you. So it's better you make up your mind. I am telling you, you don't have any choice. Collins is your husband. Oh? Eno? Ibacha gaba never keep on him now. Or do not possible. Eno kwam bikon. 21st century.
Mago life, you know the bell. Mago life, you know the bell. Wuru life, I say, you know.
That reminds me of Zemena. I'll be traveling out of the country by weekend. So get ready, you'll be taking me to the airport.
Alright, sir. Sir, how long will you be staying?
Well, I'm not certain for now, but I'm sure I'm not coming back in 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yes.
Oh.
Do you have a problem with that?
Of course not. 2 weeks is a lot of time, and we'll be missing it. That's just why. I hope it's for good, sir.
Oh yes, it's business trip.
Business trip. All right, sir. We'll miss you, and we'll definitely be waiting for you, sir.
It's okay. Take care of the house while I'm out, okay? And take care of business too.
Of course, sir.
While I'm out.
Of course.
Trust.
Mago life, you know the bell. Mago life.
At the supermarket, sir. We still going there, sir?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Just take me straight to the market. I need to pick some drinks and wine and all that, so I can stock my bar.
All right, sir.
Yes.
All right, sir. Sir, can I decrease the AC? I think it's better to fit my chest.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Mago life, I say, you know the bell. Mago life, you know the bell. Corner life, I say, you know the bell, brother.
Why is he not picking my call?
Why are you not taking your phone?
I I just want to stay focused. You know, anytime I'm driving you, I just stay focused and try to be very careful. I don't need distractions.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Maybe he's in a business meeting. My also always busy, making us plenty money. Maybe he'll call me back after his meeting.
Promise and fail. Now your second name. You go claim to be your guy, but you go run away. If I go Abba, I go buy you Abada. Fake it, promise, just promise. When they come to pass. Mago life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Mago life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, I say, you know they pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Mago life, oh, I say, you know they pay, oh. Mago life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Corner life, oh, I say, you know they pay, oh, Papa. Wuru life, you know they pay, oh. Today, you be servant boy. When your master know day, you go be oga. Fake life, oh, you know the day, oh. He go carry you up, he go knock you for ground, oh. Mago life, oh,
Get the drinks from the food, okay? All right.
Mago life, oh, you know the day, oh. Wuru life, oh, I say, you know the day, oh. Wuru life, oh, you know the day, oh. Mago life, oh, I say, you know the
He said that he'll call me back. Hello, dear.
Hey, baby.
I'm fine. I called you before, but you didn't pick up.
I was in a business meeting. You know, it's not proper for one to take calls during such crucial meeting.
I thought as much.
So how are you?
I was just missing you, so I said, let me hear your lovely voice.
I miss you too.
When are you coming to the village again?
I don't know exactly, but I'll be coming very soon, and this time I'll spend more time with you.
You mean it?
I can't wait too. Incoming call, babe. I think one of the prime ministers in Brazil is calling me. I'll call you back.
Okay, my love. Okay. I can't wait to see you. Bye-bye.
Dangote, now your motor boy. Today, you be servant boy. When your master know day, you go be oga. Fake life, oh, you know the pay, oh. He go carry you up, he go knock you for ground, oh. Mago life, oh, you know the pay, oh. Mago life, oh, you know the pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, I say, you know the pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, you know the pay, oh.
Some 300.
Mago life, oh, I say, you know
G 500.
Mago life, oh.
So, native, up and down, 300. That's so.
Promise and fail. Now your second name.
Shirt.
You go claim to be your guy, but you go run away. If I go Abba, I go buy you Abada. Fake it, promise, just promise. When they come to pass. Mago life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Mago life, oh,
11,000 plus 600. So this one, everything one for.
So I'll just pay now so that you will be the one.
So when you come here, collect change.
This one, eh? No, call the change. This one, make your hand there. Make sure this one you iron out well for me. Eh?
Thank you. So safe journey, eh?
Thank you.
Safe journey.
Fake life, oh, you know the day, oh. He go carry you up, he go knock you for ground.
speck. My speck. My speck. Ija! Ija! Oh, knock that my shoe. Oh, no. Oh, beg, oh. Yeah, God, I beg. Slick. Slick, man. Hey, God. This guy just bring it. You be like saying know me before. Just take my measurements, go so close. Hey. God. With this one and my shoe, we go there. With this one and my shoe, we go there. With this one and my shoe, my brother, we go there.
So when is he coming?
Very soon, Mama. I can't wait to make a night with him.
Oh. Have you seen what I've been telling you? Do anything you can. Do it fast. Before this desperate horse will snatch him away from you.
It's not true. Mama, that means you don't know your daughter. Any man that has entered here goes nowhere. Okay? Yes, now. And especially a man I love. Mama, what about Jazweje? Just wait. Let him enter first. He's not going anywhere. He will be stuck here forever.
Heaven helps those that help themselves.
Exactly.
Use what you have to get what you want.
I'm already using it very well, Mama. Yeah. Mama, just relax and get ready to carry your grandchildren.
Me?
Because they are forthcoming.
Hey, I am ready. I am ready.
So don't worry yourself.
Tuwashia Bomo Ohurumnai Yamumayangu on Hey! Hey! Queen of England! Queen of England! The whole England! Hey! No, I like it when you shower a commune on me.
The only man alcohol is scared of in this village.
Alcohol. Alcohol could remove some
People are scared of alcohol, but alcohol is afraid of you.
Oh my God, see, you are not making me shy. You are making me shy now. Huh? Queen of England!
To what do I owe this visit?
Queen of England, you don't owe anybody anything.
Okay.
And what are you doing? Have you seen a queen that is owing somebody something? You know, in this entire village, you are the only person that I trust. That is why I eat at your table. I eat if I can even eat in the same plate with you.
I understand where you're headed. I have it, it's available.
Hey! When I think, okay, you are here, sorry. I have to, you know, sometimes. That is why I'm talking about you. Walking the river, you have it, you always have it.
Bianca the greatest, the bravest.
Queen of England. So let me tell you, in my heart, there is a kingdom. If a kingdom, very beautiful kingdom. If you see how the gods and the maid servants are fanning you, you are the queen, I am the king.
In your kingdom?
In my kingdom, oh God. If a kingdom,
Okay, I understand.
Oh, I have plans for you, but they are still in my heart. I will.
You execute them.
One day it will come out, jump out.
I understand.
Queen of England!
Bianca the greatest. Oh. Hey, you make me laugh.
Queen of England. So let me ask you something.
Okay.
You know this thing sometimes, it can make you to see something else that is not there. So let me be sure if I use what I really saw was true. I saw you the other day with Hawk.
What is Hawk?
Hawk, mad. Hawk. The Hawk now.
Wait, Which part of the village is this yours?
I love the village part. Oh, I saw you with Hawk.
Moses. That useless thing.
Okay, Moses is his name. See, that you should stop answering Moses because he did not divide any Red Sea. He should be answering Hawk. That boy is a fool. Oh. I saw the way you two were talking. See, be careful of people like that. Because they are the people that will they'll promise you that they love you, but when they get your heart, oh my God, if you match they will divide it into 7 equal, undivisible, unmissable places.
You don't need to stress yourself because he can never have my heart.
Hey!
In fact, my heart is here. He cannot even see it. So don't worry yourself about him. I know his type, and I think you have spoken well. I have heard you. Yes. I will keep to that. Okay?
Wow! I know I don't play with you.
I know another thing that you want to say now, but don't worry, it's ready. Let me get it.
It's ready.
But you have exercised a lot of energy.
Hi! You're making me emotional.
Let me get you. So
you're making me emotional.
Don't be.
Hey! You see this kingdom, when this kingdom is ready, in fact, you will be the queen and the king. I don't want to be king again. Take the whole throne. I want to be a servant. You see, I told you everybody knows that you people are afraid of me. Alcohol respects me in this village. Again, before. I will eat food now. All my enemies will be watching me. I'll be eating food. Thunder fire all of you. Bring a finger and garnish it well. You understand? Put salt. Well. I rushed down as soon as I heard your message. Hope I didn't keep you waiting for too long.
Doesn't matter.
What is it? You don't seem too happy.
Yes. Yes, I am not happy. And you are my problem.
How do you mean?
How do I mean? You know what you did. Do you have to become childish just because you want to marry me? Collins? You know what you did? Telling my mother to pressurize me into marrying you is the most childish thing you have ever done in your life. Rubbish. Listen, Collins, listen to me. I've been saying if you don't want to listen, I don't want to be rude to you. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Keep your sorry to yourself. I don't want to be rude to you, Collins, but I have to be now just to drive home my point. I do not love you. Collins, I do not love you, and I will never love you, and I will never marry you. The earlier you understand that, the better for you.
Ginika. What else do I do to make her know that I love her so much? Why is she rejecting me? Why have all of you chosen to toil in the same path? Why? Why?
Are you talking to me?
Are you calling me a mad person? I am talking to you, of course. Of course I'm talking to you. Why are you?
So, which part are you talking about?
Which part? You're asking me the part. You don't know the part. Ha! So you have been blinded in this fantasy and lost. That you don't know what I'm talking about. See, let me tell you. You see that boy? That boy you're seeing, that boy is a he-goat. He's a he-goat, domestic he-goat. He will break your heart.
Upaka, see, Everybody in this village is saying that part of your problem is Oversabi. Now I see it. Look, I know you passed through school, but you see this place? It is not a classroom where you'll be speaking. Talk!
Thank you for your compliment. Yes, at least you notice. I have not even started. The food of him. What they taught us then. I have not even started breaking the vocabulary, and you're already praising me.
Talk before I strangle you. Talk!
Strangle me? Strangle me now? See, let me tell you something. You see that boy? I will be warning everybody that have ears. That boy is a he-goat. How can you be falling in love with a domestic he-goat? That boy will break your heart. You see this heart that is in one piece. Oh my God. The heart will be in 47 places in 47 different states.
Who are you talking about?
So you want me to tell you who I'm talking about? Eh? You don't know who I'm talking about. You like it about too much. Nonsense.
I don't know what you're talking about. What? Who?
See, okay, you're even here, chef. I'm talking. See, let me tell you. You are already blinded. This is what we call a blinded case. Blinded in Afuzuzo. You have eyes, but you cannot see. You cannot see again. What I'm telling you is that this thing I told you now, it will save your life. Go home. Sit down. Chew on this, my words. I'll dilute it with a good drink. Because if you don't retrace your steps, one in Aqua, it will go on.
Okay, Jebe. You don't have your time.
I'm saying my words. How about you? Let me tell you. If people will see a he-goat that is supposed to be domesticated, if people are falling in love with a he-goat. All of you are he-goat, chef. Nonsense. Be careful. Check it the I'm telling you. Check it the Check it there. Who is pushing me now? I'm talking the truth. Someone is pushing me.
Thank you. Well, now, take care. A guy. Right now.
Fine. I don't know.
You're saying something about
Oh, yes. I was trying to let you know that I'll be going to the village this weekend or next.
So how do you want it?
You know now, the usual way. You give me something, I go out there and belong. You know now, the show must go on.
Bad guy! So, how much do you want?
100,000.
100,000. Okay. So, how long will you be staying in the village?
Give and take 5 days.
5 days. 5 days. Okay. See, you know the way we do this thing? Each 10K is 2K. And if I give you 100K, when you are coming back from the village, you bring 120K for me.
No, na my gist. Na me or na we.
No.
You try to change that for me. No, as we take the run now. I don't understand.
At that time.
No. Don't do this now.
Like that now.
No. My brother, we they do 1-2 normally now. Based on us, we do 1-2. Don't be. No, don't do that too. I probably spend 100 now. What are you talking about?
You'll be staying longer in the village now.
Do this thing for me now. You work on the. Just 1-2 is okay now, please.
You're leaving for the 2K. We guys, you know this thing now.
So 2K.
2K.
Oh, no problem. Let's not talk too much. Just get it ready. Even if I can get mint, I will appreciate it.
Mint.
Mint.
But if I give you anyone where you see you manage them more,
just try and get mint.
No.
Alright now. So when maybe a date when I'll leave, I'll come pick it.
Okay, no, I did now. My guy.
But my G, I want that 2K.
Not more you leave like that now. You know this thing now. Business. Tomorrow leave for 2,000. You do the price.
My friend, see, I love Ozo. I mean, you need to see his outfit the last time he visited. It was so hot.
That's why you're blushing like this. Don't tell me you want to throw yourself so cheap at him.
I don't understand. Hey, look at you. My dear, how I wish you can just ask me out. Or better still, propose to me. I will not think it well before saying yes, oh, my friend.
Hey, Somto. Okay, now, you said you love him.
Yes.
Fine. But do you think Ozo will love you back?
Does it matter? Besides, I love him. Yes.
Somto.
Yes.
I don't believe you're the one saying this.
My dear friend, I'm a very, very sincere person. I know how to voice out my feelings, and I don't believe in dying in silence, my friend.
I am not saying you should die in silence. Listen to me, my friend. See, you know these boys, the way they behave. If you throw yourself so cheap at him, it's over for you. He will treat you so badly. He will mess with your heart. He will break your heart and serve you delicious breakfast. I'm telling you now. See, listen. If I were you, I will wait for him to notice me. I will give him a whole lot of body language so that he can just notice me and then ask me out. That would be better. Else, you're done for.
Okay, fine. You're right, but I will just wait and wish he noticed me.
Now my friend is talking. Let him notice you. You're a beautiful girl.
Really?
He will ask you out.
Okay.
Then you will come and tell me. I will cheer you up because we'll celebrate.
So you know I'm beautiful and tall.
But you know fine past me, get that.
What's that supposed to mean? Please leave me alone.
But I'm prettier than you are. Forget height, babe. I'll pass you, Joe.
My friend, I'm very tall.
Don't worry.
See you next time.
Notice you.
Bye. Leave me alone.
Dangote, now your motor boy. Today, you be servant boy. When your master no day, you go be oga. Fake life, oh, you know the pay, oh. He go carry you up, we go knock you for grand, oh. Mago life, oh, you know the pay, oh. Mago life, oh, you know the pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, I say, you know the pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, you know the pay, oh. Mago life, oh, I say, you know the pay, oh. Mago life, oh, you know the pay, oh. Corner life, oh, I say, you know the pay, oh, brother. Wuru life, oh, you know the pay, oh. Promise and fail, now your second name. You go claim to be your guy, but you go run away. If I go Abba, I go buy you Abada. Fake it, promiscuous promise, when they come to pass. Mago life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Mago life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, I say, you know they pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Mago life, oh, I say, you know they pay, oh. Mago life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Corner life, oh, I say, you know they pay, oh, brother. Wuru life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Today, you be servant boy. When your master no day, you go be oga. Fake life, oh, you know the bell. He go carry you up, he go knock you for grand, oh. Mago life, oh, you know the bell. Mago life, oh, you know the bell. Wuru life, oh, I say, you know the bell. Wuru life, oh, you know the bell. Mago life, oh, I say, you know the bell. Mago life, oh.
Eze, don't tell me.
Impossible.
Eze, don't you tell me.
Impossible.
I was a man.
You are not qualified.
I was a man.
You are not qualified.
This is not consistent. Stop! Look at this school. Stop! Look at this school. Stop! Stop! Silence, everyone. How dare you rant before the ancient throne of our fathers?
Your Majesty, elders of our land, we all know that I'm the most reputable and illustrious son of the soil for Akeuchian Chieftaincy title. This title, Your Majesty, is not a contest for everyone to clamor for, except somebody like me that is qualified, that is titled for that title. Tell Christopher to step down.
No king I will tread a dog and expect a king. Man, sit down. Don't insult me. Before you will better to take my leave. Better. Okwari, may you get good over that. May you get good over that. Christopher walked out.
You are taking me to the airport right away.
Boss, I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem. Yeah.
I thought you were supposed to leave last weekend.
Yes, but something came up. There's an emergency. I need to be in a meeting in Abuja. And from there, I will take off to the US. Okay. I want you to run this house. Okay? Make sure everything is up and going well. Take this money, it's 200,000 naira. I want you to service the 2 cars. Buy diesel, both for the house and for the laundry services. I don't want excuses.
You can always count on me, boss.
Sure, of course. We have to go now.
Yes.
You sounded troubled on the phone and here you're looking gloomy. What's the problem?
I don't just sound troubled. I'm troubled. Your friend troubles me.
How do you mean?
She's been turning down my advances.
After you told her you want to marry her?
Yes.
Did she give you any excuses?
Well, it's normal now. As a girl, she said she's in love with someone.
Did she tell you who the person is?
No, she didn't mention anybody.
Okay. So, How do you want me to be of help? How do I come in?
Please, now, you know you're very close with her. Okay? Please, I want you to talk to her. I want to marry her. Just talk to her. I promise I'll make her happy. You'll be proud.
Okay, wait, let me just get this whole thing right. You've told her you want to marry her?
Of course.
And she says she's in love with someone else? No problem, I'll speak to her.
Thank you very much.
Don't worry.
Thank you. Huh?
Okay, no problem, I'll get back to you.
Alright, you take care. Huh?
Take care, don't worry yourself so much.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, the time was changed.
Oh, I thought as much. Because you always go early to such meetings.
Yes. I noticed you did not say your farm produce.
Yes, Mama.
What's happened?
Nothing, Mama. I want to give them to my friend.
Your friend? Who?
Ozo. He's coming to the village by weekend.
Ginika, what is wrong with you? Mama, what is your problem? This Ozo thing is getting out of hand though. How can you leave something that you're managing? That little farm produce that you used to sell and manage the money to take care of yourself. You now want to give it to Ozo? What has that young boy given to you?
Mama.
Which God is it queer?
Mama, why are you talking like this now? Are you forgotten I told you that I dreamt about Ozo and I getting married? Mama, you know my dreams always come true.
I know. Your dreams always come true, but not in this case. Not in this case, Ginika. Stop wasting your precious time and energy on that boy. Nothing good will come out of that boy, you. I am your mother, I'm telling you. What I see is sitting down. If you stand on top of the tallest tree, you will not see it.
Mama, why do you hate Ozo like this now?
I did not hate him. Far from that. I just stated the obvious. When you tell me here, my mama come here and make. And when you get it again.
Only you know how much Ozo loves me. You won't be saying all this, Mama.
You are back. I'm still in your mother's village. Didn't you see when I drove in? Ask me if I'm back.
Just a simple question. Why are you too harsh?
Don't ask me. Next time, ask me a hard question. Nala.
Not the boy.
Hey, baby. I'm fine, and you? Of course I'll come. Take it to the bank. I can't wait to spend time with you. Let's just say weekend. I can't wait either. I love you. Sweetness, I have a call. I have an incoming call from the governor of Bayelsa State. There's this business proposal he dropped at my table. I'm trying to understand if we can do business together. So I'll just call you back. I love you. All right, bye. Were you listening to my call?
No. And that generator already make noise.
Better. And remember, wash it before morning.
As your boy, Oga no doing, I don't travel now, so this guy will do this compound till come back. Eh?
You're not going to wash it.
Not Oga dey use the motor, he don't travel now, so now when he come back, I go wash it.
You are not going to wash it.
You won't fight me or with you?
You are not going to. You're not going.
Everybody get your own job for this place. I know in trouble. I beg.
Let me wake up in the morning and this car is not properly washed. Onyala. Let me wake up in the morning and see this car unwashed. You see what I'll do to you.
Hey!
This boy feel lie. Talking to Bayelsa State Governor. How? Honorary driver. Hey, not you and I don't go see for this place. See, man still watch me to give a main drive. Also can't lie. Which will be lying. This is
Otedola, now your best friend, yo. Dangote, now your motor boy. Today, you be servant boy. When your master no day, you go be oga. Fake life, oh, he know the pay, oh. He go carry you up, he go knock you for grand, oh. Mago life, oh, he know the pay, oh. Mago life, oh, he know the pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, I say, he know the pay, oh. Wuru life, oh, he know the pay, oh. Mago life, oh, I say, he know the pay, oh. Mago life, oh, he know the pay, oh. Corner life, oh, I say, he know the pay, oh, brother. Wuru life, oh, he know the pay, oh. Promise and fail, now your second name. You go claim to be your guy, but you go run away.
The question is, why would Chris and Izzy lash at each other like that?
And I don't understand your question. The chieftaincy title of Ake Uchiongwa of this community is up for grabs. And they are all interested in it.
Oh. But I don't understand. I don't understand what you mean by that.
See, let me tell you. That chieftaincy title, Ake Uchiongwa, is an open position that any son of the soil of this community can occupy.
Hey.
So they are dragging for it. If you have money now, you can even contest for it. But unfortunately for you, you are wretched and poor.
Wait, Joe. See, but last I checked, position of such magnitude is not to be contested for now. It is not to be contested for. The king and his cabinet has the final say in matter of such nature.
You're very much right. In a situation like this, the king and his cabinet are supposed to sit down on a round table, look for somebody that is qualified, and give him that. They shouldn't be contesting for it. But it seems the king is keeping silence. He has gone silent.
But why?
Are you asking me that? How am I supposed to know? Do I look like a red cap chief?
If the king does not step in, the confrontation will turn to a violent one.
He better do. He better say something.
That's by the way. Hey, how is your sister?
Thunder fire you. I've warned you not to be asking me of my sister. Have I not? Which one? How is your sister?
Is that why you slapped me?
This one's small. See, let me tell you, we are friends. Yes, we are friends, but our friendship has boundaries. When it comes to my sister, get boundary.
Which one is get boundary? Are you going to marry your sister? Why are you doing all this thing? It's not fair now. Are you going to marry your sister? You get boundary. What boundary?
I can see that this conversation is leading to nowhere. Let me head to somewhere.
This thing you're doing is not nice, though. All this thing you're doing is not nice, eh? Be showing yourself anyhow, as if you marry your sister. Continue now. Nonsense, idiots.
Ọsọ ní Bodogwu, ọsọ bílíọ̀nù Bodogwu. Kilibe nwoke dị mma, ọsọ bílíọ̀nù Bodogwu. Ọtọpụta pasị lọgha, ọsọ bílíọ̀nù Bodogwu. Kilibe nwoke dị mma, ọsọ bílíọ̀nù Bodogwu. Akụ na-esi obi ike, ọsọ bílíọ̀nù Bodogwu. Ọkwa n'anya bụ omena bilibili, ọsọ bílíọ̀nù Bodogwu. Echeta obi m esibi ike n'elu, ọsọ bílíọ̀nù Bodogwu. Ọsọ bílíọ̀nù Bodogwu, ọsọ bílíọ̀nù Bodogwu. If you no get the money, make you hide your face. So,
Mama!
Also be
Mama, oh, are you sure this is
now here they run this town for everybody, yo. Oba to Oba membe. Kilibe no one get him. Don't gonna give me a also billion for the woman.
Sorry. I'll have it back. I'm washing. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. How's Mama?
Hi, she's fine. This one you came unannounced. What happened?
There's no problem. I just want us to talk. I want to talk to you. You need to talk.
Talk?
Yes, talk.
Talk about what?
About Collins.
No.
Why?
Look, that fool is the last person I want to talk about. Biko.
Kinika, you don't even know what I want to talk to you about.
I don't want to know anything about Collins now.
Why do you hate this guy this much?
Hate kwa? I don't hate him, oh. I don't hate him. I just said I will not marry him. Is it by force?
Kinika, this guy loves you a lot. And he's ready to make you his wife. That's all he's asking for.
Never, Didi. Why are you talking as if you don't know I have a boyfriend?
That one. Also, right? Kinika, he is not ready to get married now. Not even tomorrow. But Collins is ready to marry you like now. Just say yes to him. And I'm sure he will just come here with his people.
My friend, you know what? You don't know the full story, my friend.
Tell me.
Let me tell you. I have dreamt. I have dreamt about also and I getting married. And you'll see it will happen. Just a little time like this. Little time. Also will ask my hand in marriage. You see it?
Joseph Onyokanro. See, that time might never come.
Hey, it will come. My friend, I say it will come. Kafiano. You'll see it.
Okay, oh, I pray so too. It's not like I'm wishing you bad. Me, I want the best for you. Eh? So what do I tell Collins?
Tell him I said no. Capital no.
It's okay. I'll give him your message.
You're talking like my good friend that you are. See, I'll be very happy, right? If you can tell him exactly the way I said it. Capital no.
Sure, I will. And I also pray that this is your dream. Come true.
Amen. It has happened already. It has come true already. Me, I'm
friend.
not afraid.
Yeah.
One.
All right. Take care.
I'll see you soon.
All right.
ọsọ ní bodogwu ọsọ biliọnụ bodogwu kilibe nwoke dị mma ọsọ biliọnụ bodogwu ọtọpụta pasị lọgha ọsọ biliọnụ bodogwu kilibe
My G, also wire. My G, also wire. My G, that is sharp. Say it again. Very, very sharp. My guy.
How far now? Tell me, how do I look?
You look good, bro. You did very, very sharp. My guy.
How far is he ready?
Short. No, you know me.
I know you now. You don't fail. Hope it's mint. Clean money.
Trust me now.
Clean money.
Trust me now.
Also clean.
Trust me now.
Deals
Also
with clean
money.
money. Also clean. Deals with clean money. Nice. So I'll give you back to you as soon as I get back from the
No, Wala now.
Our business now. You did give me. Also clean. Clean money. Also clean.
Also money. Also wire. Also money.
Everything. That reminds me. Has that fool been disturbing you again?
For where? He has chained himself. In fact, he's nowhere to be found anymore.
That's the right thing for him to do.
I don't even know why people behave like this. Does it mean that women have finished in this village? There are so many women out there now. You should just go and get one for himself. Man, I open a size.
Whoa! Do you know? I don't know. I've discovered this of late. The poor people always have eyes for good things. And they want to look up there.
You're very, very useless, man. He does not even have sense. If I tell him to do something for me, can he do it? Does he have money? He doesn't have anything. You are going to marry someone you can't take care of.
Maybe somebody has been encouraging him to keep trying. Maybe he will succeed.
What stupid encouragement.
Yes, but he doesn't know he will fail. And he failed woefully.
Mama, I am so glad that useless man is off my neck. Because he was literally a pest. Everywhere I go, he's always around me. Like I got so angry that I wanted to injure him.
No. Don't let that happen. He's not worth your time.
No. Anyway, it's fine. He's gone and gone forever.
Better.
I don't even want to talk about that useless man again. He's talking about bad luck. Bad luck. Hey, Mama, let me go and check my food. I want to take to my husband.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You from this village?
Yes.
What's your beautiful name?
My name is Ebube. Ebube Chukwu.
Ebube Chukwu. Now I see why you have all the beauty. Ebube Chukwu.
Thank you, sir.
Such beautiful name for a beautiful soul.
Thank you, sir.
The kind grammar you speak when we see woman.
Hey! Obaka!
I thought I was in America.
Obaka! Obaka!
If you go to Buruta, I'm Oburu, Obia, Koburuta. Iwo, obia kobruta. Hey, like this one standing here is gone. This one is a closed case. I see the way she's smiling. In the past! Ah!
You know what you can Obaka, how are you?
How can Obaka not be fine? Obaka is always fine. Ha!
Let me just give you something for your drink, please.
Everybody is sending message for Obaka. Hey! Let me drink to that. This is the way that you used to give me money. Everyone should keep all this thing. This thing can buy 3 of these. Hey! Hey! That is why I'm talking about you. You say you know super glue. You know super glue, Abi? Buy super glue. Buy those thick ones. Use it to super glue this your leg. I see they are opening small. This man you are seeing here is very dangerous. His manhood is open for business. Super glue your legs, so don't say I did not say it. This man is a bad. He's very, very terrible.
I hope you didn't pay attention to all he said. You know, he's drunk. Words spoken out of being drunk. So can I have your number, please, so I can call you up later.
Yes, you can.
From the way you said yes, you can. Is that how you talk? Yes, you can. Say one more time.
I said, yes, you can, sir.
Just like the way you talk. You're the only daughter? Have brothers?
I'm the only child.
No wonder you took all the beauty.
Thank you.
Yeah,
090. Okay.
Help.
Thank you.
Ne, make sure you calculate that thing very well. Don't make any mistake, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good girl. Away.
Greetings.
Collins. You're welcome.
How did it go?
It was a deadlock.
Deadlock? Hey! How do I prove my love to her now?
You don't have to prove anything.
Why?
Because she does not love you. And no matter how hard you press, she will still not love you.
So what do you advise I do now?
Just forget about her. Go around, look for any other decent girl to marry. Just look around the village. You must see a decent and a hard-working girl to marry. Just forget about her.
It's not going to be easy. Eh? It's not going to be easy. My heart, my soul, my body, everything belongs to her.
Take it back. Take it back. See, you're matured and I'll have to tell you the truth. Her heart belongs to someone else. And there's nothing you will do to take her away from that person. So the earlier the better. Look for someone else. Just face it.
Anyway, thanks for the advice. Thank you so much.
Don't stress yourself too much, okay? Are you sure you don't want water?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I need help.
Welcome. You want something?
Yes.
You're welcome. Nebi, I am nylon, no? Thank you, no ma. How many?
4.
Okay. Fresh apple. The egg I like it.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, you will. Don't worry. You'll come back.
Very hot.
Yeah, very hot. The fresh one or something I just really found it now. Thank you, eh?
Huh? Mr. Cheng, what are you talking about now? What kind of nonsense is this? Huh? Huh? No. You can't be telling me that now. What's all that? Was it not just 2 weeks ago I got the same container for 4.5 million? And now you're telling me 7 million? Well, Mr. Cheng, listen. Oh yeah, talk. But it's just 2 weeks ago. Alright, let me give you 5 million. You won't accept. Ha, Mr. Cheng. Remember that Alright, for 5.5 million. In fact, 6 million. It has to be 7 million. Alright, no problem.
My darling, I hope everything is okay.
Everything is not alright. These Chinese people, they are so greedy. Just 2 weeks ago, I got this container for 4.5 million. And now they are telling me 7 million. I offered 5. You were here, you heard my conversation. 5, 6, from 4.5 to 7 million.
The price is outrageous.
It is! Huh?
But don't worry yourself, my love. Sit down. Listen, you don't have to get yourself worked.
These people just hate our country.
No, see. Calm down. Don't stress yourself. You're too cute to be stressing yourself. Just give the person time. Maybe he might decide to call you and sell the goods to you.
I really hope so. I mean, it's really outrageous. I mean, maybe just 2 weeks ago, 4.5 to.
It's okay. Okay. You're looking so fine today.
You look. I wasn't seeing well without glasses now. You look so beautiful. Baby.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I brought you food though. I brought you food. I made a special delicacy.
Everything about you is special.
Yes, so my mother would say daka daka. So I made some daka daka for you. You will love it.
Just the same way you look. Daku daku.
Okay, so you start eating?
No. I actually have a surprise for you.
But after, I want you to taste my food.
Just stay right here. Wait for me. I will be right back. Daku daku.
You're funny. Don't worry, you enjoy this daka daka of mine. I can cook. You have no idea. Everybody in this village thinks because I'm a slave queen. I don't know how to cook.
Alright, baby. Close your eyes.
Are we acting film?
Daku daku. Daku daku.
Alright.
Close your eyes. Do not open them.
Eyes are closed.
Now you can open them.
I'm feeling something. Let you know what I'm feeling now. Ozo! My Ozo!
Billion.
The billionaire! The Ozo! Thank you so much, my baby!
At least now, I have cleared your doubt.
Yes, you
I have shown you that you and you alone will be the mother of my children.
I cannot wait.
The one that I would grow old with.
Oh.
The one I would love to die lying in her arms.
Thank you so much. I can't wait for us to start making babies. I will give you 12 children. Dozen. Hey. I was never expecting this. Hey, thank you so much. Hey, Ayana. Oh, let's go and eat.
Before then I was... Goodness.
What is it?
Baby, what is happening in this village? I mean, I went earlier to look for all this, what do you call them, POS people?
Okay, POS.
Yes, I've gone
They're
around.
everywhere in this village.
But I went out, I couldn't find any of them. Is there a problem?
I don't know. Why are you looking for POS?
It's because I have an urgent need for 50,000 naira, and all the money I have here is Precipitome, you know.
What's again?
Precipitome, it's an Australian currency, you know.
50,000. It's big, oh. But
Yeah,
don't worry,
no.
I will find a way and bring
No, baby, don't, please don't say it again. I think I'll just drive to the other
I
village.
don't want you to stress yourself. I know that in no time you will give me money in millions. So if I give you my 50,000, it's nothing. You gotta go. Now you have given me ring now. It's engagement. It's not marriage. So you and I, we are one now. So
you and I will be there for you.
Oh, baby. So don't worry. I will just get to the house now and get you the money. I have 50,000. I can give you. But if I'm gonna you give me more.
I'll give you Precipitome. Don't worry.
I will change it to naira.
A lot of them.
Okay, thank you. Okay, baby. I want you to eat this food. I specially made it for you. As you're eating, I'll rush to the house and bring the money.
But before then, I'd like to go inside to scoop you.
No.
No. To scoop you.
When I come back, we'll scoop ourselves.
No.
You scoop me, I scoop you. God no go vex. That one.
I scoop you, you scoop me.
God no go vex. Scoop me, I scoop you.
Inside.
Oh, so you go and get
No.
Yeah.
Everything will wait until we are done scooping. Aha.
Something.
Number one.
How are you?
My
Did you
friend.
come inside the house? What is the good news?
No point. I just want to hit you with the gist and go.
Good news?
My
Good
friend.
gist?
Good gist. I learned also came into the village yesterday.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. That's nice for you.
Yes. And that is the reason I am going to pay him an unexpected visit this evening.
Why, Somto? Why?
Because he refused to notice me and I have to present myself to him.
Somto, I thought we talked about this already. I told you not to throw yourself at this man. Don't do it. He will take you for granted though. I've said it before and I'm repeating it. Don't throw yourself at Ozo. It will be a letdown on your personality. Let him notice you and then come for you. That way, he will respect you. You don't believe me?
Do you think he will do that?
My friend, you're every man's dream. Do you know how beautiful you are? You've not been told. I'm telling you now. Okay, see, do you remember the other day? That guy that saw you, he came to me and said he wanted you. I told him no, her heart belongs to somebody else. That is to tell you that every man wants you. Definitely. If Ozo sees you, he must want you too. Because every man desires you. You're pretty, you don't know. And I'm super proud of you. I'm telling you now.
And you didn't tell me.
Don't you see the way people look at you? If we are working, so sometimes I even feel somehow. But that's by the way, because you're a good friend. Just let it be, okay?
I like the way you advise me.
Oh, you mean Jumwayaka? Eh? And I love the fact that you hate my advice. If I don't advise you, waiting again. Listen, you know we're still very young, right? And it will be my dream to see you end up with a man that you love so much and a man that loves you too. To be in the arms of that man that has been your dream. And that man is no other than Ozo.
My Ozo.
Your Ozo, of course. But listen, you're not going to throw yourself at him. You let him come for you. And that's what we are going to do. Is that okay? All you need to do is always pay attention to me. I cannot mislead you. Huh?
I'm a mama, I know. You know you are the only sister I have now.
Uh-huh.
You are my friend, my
It's
sister. And you soon get married because you are senior to me. Mama, I take now. Let's play.
I'm going to see a friend. Who? Mama, do you know my friends?
If you tell me the person, I might know him or her.
I'm going to see Ozo.
I thought as much. Open that bag.
Huh? Mama?
I said open the bag. I want to see the contents.
There's nothing inside the bag.
Mama, give me this bag. Ginika! Who are you taking this food stuff to?
I'm taking them to Ozo.
Hey! You mean you want to take my food stuff? So that good for nothing boy? Ginika,
Mama, Ozo is not good for nothing, no. Not good for nothing.
I have seen that boy has given you something to eat. But whatever he has done to you, I am going to free you. I am going to free you. I am your mother, Ginika.
Mama, he'll soon be your son-in-law.
I am your mother. I'm going to free you. Take this thing inside.
Mama, this is not fair.
You are still talking.
Mama, it's not fair. He's somebody's child, though.
Are you still talking?
Mama, it's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Yes, na bemi okolo de boni. Afum no rigeli. Mana nga hajiri. I will make sure that you come back to your senses. Omo wa mrogen.
Now him they run this town for everybody. Obato yeah, obati femebe. Kilibe no working him. No gonna give me a also billion for the one no. Everything.
Look at that, beautiful. Oh my God, you're too beautiful. You're sweet. So why didn't you tell me you were coming?
I called you too many times, but you did not pick my call.
Oh, it must have been that time I was receiving lots of calls, you know. People calling from all over the world. This one asking me for help. So everyone is asking me for help. Borrow me money, help me. My son is dying. My son. Too many calls, so I had to put it on silent so that one can at least rest.
I understand. So, hope you rested enough.
Oh, I did. Can't you see how fresh I look?
Yeah, you look sweet.
What can I offer you?
Whatever it is you want for me, it's okay.
So whatever I give you, it's okay.
Of course.
You're so sweet. Look at this house.
It's so beautiful.
Guess who owns it? That's my house in Lagos. One of them actually. This one is in Ikoyi. Let me show you the one I have in Festac.
One of them? So you have them many?
I have 10 houses in Lagos. But let me show you the one I have in Festac.
Baby, you're so rich.
Wait, now let me show you the biggest one. The one I have in VI. Just wait.
Whoa.
Just hold on a minute. Let me show you.
VI?
Wait now.
It's VI in Nigeria.
It's not Victoria Island. That's VI. My house is in between Otedola and Dili Momodu. You've heard that name before?
Yes!
These people come to, share breakfast with me every morning.
My word!
Oh, don't worry yourself. When you come, you'll see them.
You will take me to see them?
Otedola comes to my house every morning. These people are my friends, my neighbors.
Baby!
Wait, let me show you the one I have in Asokoro, Abuja. Wait, let me show you that one. That one is, I think that one is quite the smallest I have. Now look at this house.
This is huge.
You see the cars parked there? I actually use this one to just buy fuel. I use this one to buy water for the house.
So you give me one of the cars?
Choose any one you want. Look, okay, let me show you. I have my car lot so that you can choose.
I like this one. This one, the face is like this.
You like this one?
Yes, exactly this one.
Whenever you come, you can have it.
Oh my God.
Just like that. Just like that. Do it again. Just like that. So what next?
I'm super lucky to have you.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I am super lucky to have such beauty. You know what we'll do right now? We'll go inside and then when you whine, I grind. When you whine, I do what?
You scream.
Shall we?
Yeah, baby.
Let me. My boys will be outside. You whine, I grind. You whine.
You be servant boy. When your master no day, you go be oga. Fake life, oh, you know the bell.
No problem. What should we?
No, not anything.
I take something now.
So why did you ask me to come here?
I just want to talk about the future over some bottle of drinks,
How do you know?
To talk about the future, you have to be in the future together.
Now you're getting me confused.
Ndidi, please, marry me.
Collins, what are you doing, please? If this is a joke, stop it.
Does it look like a joke to you? I'm serious.
Collins, this is big drama. I want you to end it now. What is this? Just stop.
No. Ndidi, over time, you've proven yourself to be a very loyal, humble lady. A decent lady. The kind of woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Please marry me. Please.
Stop. Please stop. People are watching. Stop it.
Please marry me.
You need to stand up, please. Just stand up, please. Just get to stand up. Just sit down.
I mean it. Please.
Did you even think how Ginika will see me?
Come on. Ginika has no say in this.
You think so?
Yes, I know so. Come on. Were you not the one she told she loves someone else? She doesn't love me? She can't marry me?
Even at that, you're not supposed to propose to me.
Why?
Because I am her friend. And I'm sure she will feel betrayed.
No, come on. Ginika has no right to nurture such feelings. She has no right. She rejected me severally. She humiliated me even before you. You know that. Please marry me. I have found you worthy. I have loved you ever since. I have come to the conclusion that it's you I want to marry. Please just forget about Ginika. I will make you happy. I am going to make you happy. Please marry me.
No. I can't do this. No.
Please, don't go.
No!
Ndidi.
Baby, you know how to tease me.
Of course, what else should I do best? Baby,
My love.
you are so sweet. In fact, you are sweet.
Am I?
You have no idea? Baby, you are the sweetest woman I have ever met.
Thank you.
I wish I could just have you on wholesale
Which one is wholesale again, my love?
to make you all mine. I mean, my wife. Babe, you're not saying anything.
Why not? I'll be glad. Super glad.
You mean it?
Of course.
You wish to spend the rest of your life with me?
I wish to spend every moment, every bit of it with you.
You just made me emotional. Oh, baby, I love you so much.
I love you more. More and more.
Alright, when will I see you again?
Whatever. Just, you know what to do.
One phone call away.
One phone call away. And I'm here.
Alright, let me... Sorry, woman.
It's okay.
Hello?
I'm on my way to your house now.
Oh, yes, I'm home. Where are you?
Close, very close. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Alright, hurry, I'll be waiting.
Okay. Alright, see you.
The boy I asked to come wash my car is on his way to this place. Oh, my love, I'm so sorry I won't be able to escort you again.
I understand. It's okay. Just know that I'll miss you so much.
Miss you more. In no time I'll see you, okay? Huh? Make sure you're careful on your way home.
Of course.
You already know I love you.
What is happening? Why me? Of all the girls in this village, Collins, why me? Oh no, this is not happening. I think he's joking. Maybe he's trying to test me. No, he can't be serious. He's just joking. Like Collins, Ginika, and then me. No. Yeah, he's joking. I'm sure he is. Maybe he wants to try my loyalty to Ginika, or maybe he wants to try our friendship. He's just pulling my legs. It's not possible. No, it's not possible. But on a second thought, he doesn't really look like he's joking. From his expressions, everything. No. I don't think that guy is joking. At this point, I think I need to talk to someone. What do I do? What should I do? This is just so confusing. God, what kind of trouble is this? Didamaka, you need to calm down. Calm down, think, and then maybe talk to someone. I think that's what I should do. No, I need to speak to someone. This is just so much.
I'm so sorry, hold on. Huh? What's... Let me call you back. Can you just shut... Let me call... Sorry, you were saying something.
Boss, we want to walk around the village to see how the village looks like.
Exactly. We have been coming here. We don't know how this village look like.
Are you sure you just want to see the village or you want to see the milkshake in the village?
Boss, let us look around.
Some things.
Okay. All work and no play.
Exactly, dog boy.
Alright guys, feel free. Come on.
Thank you, boss.
Just know that you need to be careful and you'll be back in less than an hour.
No problem, boss.
Babe, you don't look happy at all. What is it?
It's nothing to worry about.
No, I'm worried already. I mean, when your face is like this, how you expect me to be fine? What is it?
It's my mother. She didn't want me to come see you.
Why? What have I done wrong?
She doesn't believe you love me. She just thinks I'm wasting my time with you.
I mean, how is she supposed to say things like that? How is...
Obi, let's forget about my mother, okay? It's okay. You love me and I love you. That's what's important, right?
You know, I think I just have to prove my love beyond words. Give me a second.
What are you doing?
At this point, I'll need you to close your eyes.
Why?
Because I say so.
Hey. Okay, anything for you.
Don't open it.
Eyes are closed.
I trust you. Don't open it.
Okay.
Watching you. Now you can.
Also,
Keneka, will you spend the rest of your life with me? Will you be the mother of my unborn children? Will you say, I do, I do, I do, I do? Oh, goodness.
yes.
Goodness. Goodness.
It's like I'm dreaming. I'll forever love you and cherish you.
I'll forever do same.
I owe you my soul and my body.
I owe you my heart and my spirit. I owe you everything.
Love you.
I love you too. So tell me, what is in this nylon?
Just food stuff.
Food stuff? But you know I don't like to cook. I mean, I don't know how to cook.
I know. Don't worry, I'll cook for you. Come, take me to the kitchen. Come.
Already playing your role. Already playing your role. I do. I do. I do. I do. I do. I do.
They pay, brother. Wuru life, you know they pay. Promise and fail. Now your second name. You go claim to be your guy, but you go run away. If I go Abba, I go buy you Abada. Fake a promise, just promise.
Mama.
When the day come to pass.
Mama, I don't want to talk too much. Just guess.
Guess.
Guess now. Just guess. Guess.
Do old people still guess?
No one is exempted now, Mama. Which one is old people? Guess it. Some old people.
Let me try. He gave you some money.
No, it's not it.
Okay, let me try again. He promised to take you to the city.
Oh, Mama. Guess something very... You want to go? Something very...
Oh, I am exhausted already.
Why are you exhausted?
My head is empty. I don't know what to guess again.
Halala.
Wow!
Yes!
He proposed to you?
Yes! And I said yes, oh!
Don't say.
Yes, Mama.
Oh my goodness. This calls for celebration.
A very big one, oh.
Go to my room. Towards the bedside of my room. You see a bottle of wine there. Bring it. Let's celebrate.
Oh, Zubos, okay?
Oh no! Ha! Hurry! Hey! Let's get the music. I saw many times.
Mama. Hey. Yo,
what took you so long?
I was checking something in my room. Keep you on.
Okay. So open it. Let's celebrate.
Hey, you don't know how excited I am.
I am more excited than you are.
God is amazing. Of all the useless girls running around him in this village,
honestly,
he finally chose me.
I like the sound of that.
Hey, whoa, Mama, this one suits me more. We about to go down. Let's. Okay.
I know you love this one.
Mama, don't go there. Yeah, Mama, let's cheers first now.
Let's toast.
Let's toast.
For marriage?
Yes.
For love?
Yes.
And for family that will give me grandchildren.
Amen.
We toast.
Cheers.
Cheers. I can't wait to see you get married. To the richest son of the soil in the person of Ozo.
Mama. When you call Ozo a rich man, to me, it is an understatement. Ozo is a billionaire. Just accord him that respect. Call him the billionaire.
Honestly.
So you're going to have a billionaire in-law.
Yes.
Ne cozy. Anywhere you're going, just spread. Spread like Wi-Fi.
Not like poppers like Moses.
Ocho. That useless one. He will just leave me and rest.
Very soon, he will hear the news and leave you alone.
Finally.
Forget about you completely.
I don't understand.
Now let's cheers to art.
Because cheers,
cheers, because for better life.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
So
very, very soon, I will be walking down the aisle with my beloved husband. Not just an ordinary husband, but a billionaire husband.
A man of your dreams.
What are you going to?
And I'll be beside you.
Of course.
Just behind you, mother of the day.
You know? Hey!
In my big girl.
Oh, God, it, Bobo. Oh, God, it.
Cheers, cheers. Hey!
Ginika is inside.
Oh, she's not there. She's not in the house.
No, Ginika should be inside.
Mama, she's not there. I knocked at the door repeatedly and nobody responded. That's why I came through this back now. She's not there.
Wait, though. I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Mama, I'm thinking.
So Ginika left this house against my wish. She left to see that stupid boy, that non-entity, against my instruction, okay? It's okay. She will come and meet me here.
Who are you talking about?
I told Ginika never to leave this house. I told her not to go and see that stupid boy again, that deceiver. But she decided to disobey me. She will come back and meet me.
Mama, you're speaking in parables. Make me understand what you're saying now, eh? Make me understand. What is going on?
Hey! Hey! A child that I gave birth to. Guinea can't belong with her anymore. I cannot tell her not to do something and she will obey me. It's okay. Let her come back here and meet me.
Hey, Mama Bikono, what is it? Who is that Ginika went to see?
Who else? Only also good. They don't also do it. Ozemenan hunyari de noko. Ozemenan hunyari de noko.
Hi. How long will it take Ginika to understand that this boy doesn't mean well for her? How
the
long?
Same question. The same question I have asked myself. Time without number. No answer. No answer. Do you talk with that your friend?
Of course, Mama. I do. Mama, I'm on a daily basis. Mama, what is wrong with this girl? I don't know. She just bent to keep loving this boy every day. I don't know what to do. I don't know.
It's okay. Let her come back and meet me. She will see the other part of me today. Oh yeah, John, we are going to be with an way more than that. Hi!
Mama Buto.
Oh, give me Konya and was on your own day.
Hi.
Eh?
Mama, take it easy. You go.
I was on my way to pack and include your shoes.
Mama, let me help you and carry the glass. Mama, just calm down.
What are you doing here? Why are you passing here? Eh?
I see you don't have manners, have you?
Are you by any chance talking to me?
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to myself.
It would be very stupid to talk to me like that. In fact, you don't have sense.
Watch your tongue, Bianca, because I will not hesitate to beat you black and blue.
Eh? They're not born you well. Bros, they never born you well to lay those poverty-stricken hands of yours on me. I swear with everything I hold sacred, you will be in jail. They touch me now. No,
me well.
Touch me. You would land yourself in jail.
Yeah, just thank your stars I'm in a good mood. If not, a black and blue can't carry kogina.
Quiet. I know what is making you angry because I don't want you and I can never want you. Look at who is talking about not being in a good mood. Are you even supposed to be in a good mood? I'm happy today. That is why. What will even give you happiness? You're a poor man. Poor men are not meant to be happy. You can never be happy. Nonsense. Rubbish. Please get out.
I don't allow my situation to weigh me down, but don't worry. You
don't allow your situation to
just take a look at you because of money.
Get out!
I will make money and you will come for me. At that time I will not accept you.
Motivational speaker, you are just frustrated. You are frustrated already. Just take your miserable self and get out. In the next world, you will still be poor. Poverty will, in fact, is in your lineage. I don't pam. Useless man.
Now your best friend, yo. Dangote, now your motor boy. Today, you be servant boy.
With what I am perceiving, I know a masterpiece is coming from that kitchen, right?
Well, I'll take that as a compliment. Or are you just teasing me?
No, I am not. Isn't it obvious? You take it in yourself. Oh goodness, I can feel it already.
You're so funny. That's why I love you.
You are so beautiful. That's why I love you. So, how did you learn how to cook?
My mother, of course.
Your mother. I'm so happy my mother taught my wife how to cook, but the same mother does not like me.
Okay. I don't know why my mother does not like you, but still with this, over. Yes, trust me, she's going to love you because you've done the right thing now.
Right?
Yes, she will love you like a son now. It's what she's been waiting for.
I just pray the next time I see your mother, I'll be able to do all I have in mind, because I am not only just going to spoil her, I am going to bless her with hard currency. You can't wait.
Try.
Back to the first. How long is it going to take? Because I'm famished.
About 10 to 15 minutes.
10 to... I have a meeting actually, not like I can eat outside. I mean all the big fast food, but I just want to eat your food. How long?
Robin.
Yes.
Hey. So you're talking about eating outside when you have a wife?
No, that's no. We just said something like.
No. You can't be talking about that. To be ready soon. Okay, let me check.
Oh, please check.
About eating outside.
It's all right. I just don't want us to have emergency. You know, huh?
What's the meaning of this drama? Why are you standing like a bodyguard? What is it? Let me go inside. Why would you allow me go inside? What is it now? Where is Ozo?
He's inside.
He's inside. Okay, I want to see him.
He's really busy.
Busy? Busy doing what? I don't understand.
He's preparing a surprise for you. You going inside will ruin it.
A surprise for me?
A very special surprise.
Hey. Okay, well, let me sit down and wait for him. This you don't want me to go inside. And you said it's a surprise.
Very, very beautiful surprise. You love it.
Okay. Let me call him. Tell him I'm here. Let him know that I'm here. I don't have to wait so much. So why are you running and looking tensed?
It's my uncle. My uncle. I don't want him to see you.
You don't want your uncle to see me? But why? I mean, normally, he's supposed to see me now so you can introduce me to him as your future wife.
Yes, that's the right thing to do, but the wrong thing here is that I did not. I mean, tradition demands that I tell my kinsman before I propose. So, I don't want him to see. You know, he introduced me to one girl. Let me explain. Please. He introduced me to one girl that I must marry, and then he's the one who gave me all the connections that made me make money. So,
so what are you saying in essence?
I want you to leave. Yes, not leave my life and not leave the house. Like, help me. I mean, take me out from this mess. Just go home. I'll tell him about. In fact, I'll come pick you and then we'll go to his house with a bottle of wine so that I can formally do the introduction. Tell him you're my future wife. Please, for love. So, baby, babe, you're doing this for love. Baby. Stop getting angry now. It's all for love. It's all for love.
Now your second name, you go claim to be your guy, but you go run away. If I go,
God, you are so smart.
Fake it, promiscuous, we go knock you for grando. Mago life, oh, you know they pay, oh. Mago life, oh, you know they pay, oh.